Unlock those luscious, mermaid-like waves with your new Costco Deep Waver. First things first, safety and prep are key. Ensure your hair is completely dry before you begin. This tool uses heat, so a heat protectant spray is your best friend. Apply it evenly throughout your hair for a shield against damage. Now, let's talk settings. Your Deep Waver likely has adjustable heat settings for most hair types. Starting with a medium heat is a good bet if you have finer hair. Be conservative. If you have thicker hair, you might need a bit more warmth. Experiment to find what works best for you. Sectioning is crucial for those uniform waves. Divide your hair into manageable sections, about 1 to 2 inches wide. This ensures you can reach every strand for consistent results. Time to wave. Clamp a section of hair, starting near the root, almost as close as you're comfortable. Hold for about 5 to 10 seconds. Depending on your heat setting and desired intensity, the longer you hold, the deeper the wave. Slowly release the clamp, letting the waver slide down the hair shaft, leaving behind that beautiful S-shaped wave. Continue this process for all sections, alternating the direction of your clamp for a more natural, lived-in look. Don't be afraid to overlap slightly between sections. Once all your hair is waved, let it cool completely before touching it. This helps the waves set and last longer. For extra hold, lightly mist with a flexible hairspray. And there you have it, a circumflex Euros. Stunning, bouncy waves made easy with your Costco Deep Waver. And there you have it, a circumflex Euros. Stunning, bouncy waves made easy with your Costco Deep Waver.